So sorry you guys for crashing out on you. Really really apologize for that. I know it was sudden, it just suddenly ends. I'm really sorry. I've tried to reload. We're no longer going to play a Fortnite because the world doesn't want us to do so. So Fortnite is a no. Nah. It's a no for us. So we're gonna just chill and edit. Do a bit of editing and then we'll just leave later on. Hi, I'm back. I am back. Back and booming. I don't know why it does that. It's been doing that every time I try to play Fortnite. I don't understand. I don't know. I don't know why. I don't know why. Let me just open up for After Effects. If I have time, let me. Yeah. By the way, let me check his edit. Let me check his edit. We put up our background music. You said, what was his name again? Faris. YouTube, right? Maybe, Prem said YouTube. YouTube? YouTube. I don't think it's. Yeah, it's not this. Faris. It's not this. This is the wrong one. I don't think this is it. TikTok or Insta. But what I'm looking at, I doubt. Just a moment. Let's try Instagram. I'm sure I'd get him quick in Instagram. Search. Faris. The Instagram one I see is. Okay, is it the one that has like Michelangelo thingies? Is it the one I. Okay, let me just show you, bro. Am I struggling? No, I just don't know what will just pop up. That's why I was trying to avoid that. Is it this one? This the account on Insta? Is that it? No, I've adjusted the screen. I've adjusted it. You can see it now. Still can see? Oh no, I don't think I adjusted the. Oh, then that's the same thing I was looking at in YouTube, but the style just looked so different that I just ignored. Oh, that is his cause. Bro, that's not flow edit. That's not flow edit, bro. That's not flow. This is a different style. This is not flow. This is like scrapbook type. This is the scrapbook type of edit. That's no scrap. That is not flow. Let's try this one. But the use of sound effects is amazing. It- yeah, that's loud. That's edgy. That's edgy. That's the edgy style. See that one? Yeah, it's the scrapbook style. Oh, that's flow. This one is flow. It's a mix of flow. Yeah, that's a very, very interesting. A very interesting style. His style is kind of different. He used to make flow edits. Yeah, he's integrating flow with this scrapbook style, and it's a really nice. It's a really good mix. Let's see this one because these are the first edits. Let's see this one. Oh my god, that is a lot. That is it edgy? I think also. I think his edits are very very effect heavy, CC heavy, and it does really really good sound effects. Really good sound effects. Sound effects that are being done, they are very clean. Oh, it's open, it's open, it's open. So this is what I was working on. Didn't do much. I call it flow, but it's more of just, like simple, this very simple type of edit that does not have so much going on in it. That is what is actually happening here. So there's not so much, like it's not all this. These types of edits are very popular right now. Yeah, it because from what I can see is people have a short attention span nowadays, right? So if they have a short attention span, that means if you have a type of edit that has a lot of things moving, people are going to be more engaged. So this type of scrap style, just look at, let's say, in the first few minutes. Just look at how many things move. You see, there's always something happening. And it totally understands that. So this is a very nice edit. I believe that the retention in these edits is also very, very high. Now looking at those ones, I'm like, oh, this is more of chill. I'll remove that. I'm thinking of removing that. I'll just let it start. I'll just remove the audio and just let it start there. But I'll see. Okay, last time I played this when I was editing, they actually flagged my video wherever this music was played. Wherever the music was played, bro, it was flagged. So I'll just do like one run for you guys and then we mute it. Yeah, so that's how that's as far as we went. We didn't do much. We just reached here. We did this bit up to here. Now you can see where this is coming in. That is where I actually reached. So that is like the whole thing. But what we've finished all this up to here. I don't really want to add anything to that. I want it to remain raw as is. I love the motion of that clip. We did a bit of twixter to this clip here, and this one here in the background also has a twixter. We'll add the deep glow later on afterwards, because it ended up like it does a lot of. Don't worry about YouTube, because I can't hear the sound. I can only hear. Maybe I reduced it so little. Okay, that's okay then. That's okay. Well, I don't understand then. I had to like mute parts of my previous stream because of it, unless I was blasting the audio. So now this is what we're at. We did. She's like trying to. What I was trying to do is, that, and then she's asked, What spell did you draw?" And then now she like goes back. So I want this to be like flashback ish style. She goes back, pam. She's thinking about what she did, what she drew, and the whole process. And then now after this scene, we connect to this one here. This is like a flashback. So that's what I was trying to go for. And I'm at this part of the transition. I'm trying to bring this in here, but I think I pulled it out so much because it's being brought up. Unless, let me just bring it up from somewhere here. I want to like bring it in and then pop. I don't know if I should. I think a good thing to do is to bring it up gently by incorporating. Do I do a luma? Let's see how the dissolved luma will look like. Maybe we can do a luma for this one and bring it up to here. And then just easy ease that. I'm just trying that one out. If that doesn't work out, we are going to just switch to. We're going to just switch to basic feed. I think a bit of softness can work out there. I want a bit of softness. Maybe just drag it so that when it comes up, it's also doing this. I don't know why. You can see it's starting all the way here. No, I don't want that. You see that? I don't want this edge. That edge is something I do not wish to have. I want by the time we see the edge is already all the way up. There. So that's the one that, oh no, somewhere there. That's the one that hides the edge for us. But it's moving too fast. I don't like it. Of course you don't like it. What if we incorporate both? We do the dissolve luma and opacity. But you know the problem with the dissolve luma is the edge of. It's not really giving us anything. In fact, it's even delaying the appearance. Yeah, it makes it look faster. So that does not work out. Another another thing that can be done is maybe we add a mask. Add a mask and then like super duper duper soften. Feather. Do a feather of around 200. We're just trying it out. We're just trying it out, okay? And then just take it to 0. Hoping it's going to avoid that edge. Let's do that. Let's do F9. Let's see. We have an edge, but it's like softy. Softy. Maybe expansion and go back. No. The problem with expansion. I don't like any of that. None of that. Just get rid of the luma. Get rid of the mask. And just do a regular opacity with the hard edge as is. Or, no. There's this other one. The transition, the object slide. Where is T? Oh, it went all the way here. Oh, topaz is also here. Transition, linear wipe. Linear wipe. Okay, 0. 270. No, it was 180. And then I do a feather. There. Pretty. Okay, transition completion to 0. What? So the feather doesn't help? Oh, it doesn't because the transition is at 0. So I'll put it at 10. Okay, 15 is good enough. We don't see. Do we see the edge? We don't. So the edge is not visible. We're very okay now. F9. There's something wrong. There's something wrong with the Twitch. There's something, not Twitch, but there is something wrong with the TikTok. They dumped me. TikTok dumped me, bro. Yeah. TikTok was mean to me. Ho 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 ho. This is so clean, right? It. Oh no! What is that? What is that? What is happening? What is this? Why did it do that? You see, after it comes from and it does. Maybe we try and finish this transition a bit earlier. And then here, maybe here I can now do like I can take it to 0. Put that here. Yeah, let's try that. I'm getting the picture. I'm getting the picture. The picture is getting closer, girl. Let's try that. Now, I'm getting another idea. Of course, I love this. It sounds like, it looks like a burning-ish transition. Maybe I'm not liking how fast it's popping in. Well, I think I'll just do like a speed. I'll do a speed. No, I don't like that. I don't like that. No, let's just put back what was there initially. Value graph. So what sort of value graph was I using? I think it was this. Yeah, I wanted to pop in before that. Okay, let's look at it again. Listen to my heart. Let's take our text. Let's figure out where the text will go. Listen to my heart. Think I'll do a white. Whoa. Oh no, I deleted everything. I deleted the text. Listen to my heart. Let's put a full stop. Yeah, I just want to set the color back to white. We do white. We're doing. Oh no, I didn't select it. Control A. Control A. Go back there. So what we're trying to do, I saw this other edit that had text in different perspectives. But I don't know if we can, if it is suitable for this clip. Can we perspectify this thing? Because this is a table. This is a table. So is it power pin? Let's try power pin. It's power pin. Yeah, I think it's power pin. Let's try power pin. Is it really power pin, or we just make the text 3D, bro? We can just make the text 3D, you know? We can actually just make the text 3D. Let's see. Let's see. It's a table. I think it's a. I think we're about this. Yeah, something like that. Maybe I'll do. Let's see. Screen. Nah. Overlay. Do overlay perhaps. And then we do a text animation. Let's do that. Let us do that. Let us do that. Did we add our... Then I'm thinking I also allow it to slide in together with this so that it moves. You see that? It's coming up with us. Listen to my heart. Oh, my heart is on the other one, so it just listened to. My bad, my bad. My bad. It's just listen to. So if it's just listen to, that means we can be bigger. Do I like this font? I love it. I love it so much. It's what's the name of the font? Kepler. I've recently fallen in love with the Kepler and Goga. The two fonts I've come to like. Kepler and Goga. I think we'll do that. Let's see. Now, instead of the word, usually I do like I alternate between making this, making Kepler the italics type, and then the Goga. Let me show you. I'm just say Goga. You might not know what Goga is. Let's find it. This one. This is Goga. Oh no. This is Goga. This one. That is Kepler. Totally love them. And then the other thing is the warp chic. What did I call it? Text jitter. I think I called it text jitter. Yeah. And that will make our look. And then the other thing is you can see here where the text is coming in. Yeah, pretty good texts. Very clean, very aesthetic. Aesthetic. Yeah, so instead of words here, we can set it to character so that it comes in letter by letter. Previously, it was coming in as a whole word. Let's try that. I like it. I like it. Listen to my heart. Ho, 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 ho. Why is it disappearing and I've pushed it? Oh, I have one more frame. Why is it gone? You see that? What's happening? What is happening? No. Because why is it doing that? But if I do this, oh, wait, let me hide this one. So it's not this. What is the problem? Oh, so the thing is not all the way. We're not masked to the end. Okay, composition settings. Let's see. Just add some 5 frames. I want to reach this point. We are masked all the way. Yeah, we are masked all the way. Okay, now let's just cut it. I don't know. I think it was just... Huh? You see that? You see that? Ugh. What is up with these things? Let's duplicate it. Still doesn't work. Remove it. Let's delete it and then re-add it. Come back here, re-add it. Oh no, I even made it worse. Okay, what I'm going to do now, because they're thinking that I do not understand their business, I'll just bring it here. Messing around with me. Lol. I must be sleepy. It's not... It's pissing me off. It's pissing me off. Another thing that I can do is duplicate that, just bring it here, Control Shift D, cut that, and then I crop it. So it means the problem is this clip, or is it this clip? Like, what is the problem? There's nothing on top. The problem is this clip. And it's because it is fully... Yeah, that's the problem. That's the problem. The mask is not there. Just cut all this. Just want it similar to what the other ones were. Nothing different. Yeah. That's all actually. Let's try that out again. Sorted. You downloaded somebody's CC, but when you paste it into the user presets folder, it does not show up in After Effects. Any solution? First, you're sure you put it in the user presets. Second, try putting it without, let's say, folder within folder within folder. Let it be, let's say you have user presets and then CC. Just that, nothing else after that. Try that. I don't know how the folders are currently organized. How are they organized? Let's do this. Because usually they show up either way. And also, I've also tried saving your own preset to see if the issue is your preset folder or it's the path of download. Sometimes if it doesn't show up, you can just do the long way and just go animation, browse animation presets, click that, and then go directly to your file, to where the folder is, and then use them from there. So that means the CC, you'll be using them directly from here if you are not able to bring them in. That's another way you can go about it. Try that out maybe. See, bring that in, listen to center. Okay, so I like the text, I like that. Now I want to bring it in. Let's see, file. Let's just close this. One moment, let me close the TikTok. Let me close the TikTok. It's just burning my laptop, my computer for no reason, and I think they have somehow banned me or of the sort. Hopefully that went off. It says the file was created with a newer version of After Effects. Oh, then that's a problem. You cannot access that. You cannot use it. If the file was created with a newer version of After Effects, you cannot use it in an older version unless you get yourself a newer version of After Effects. Listen to... Let's see. File. Maybe that's why it couldn't go in, because of the different versions. So yeah, That's the problem. You might have to upgrade. Might have to upgrade. Or find another CC. Why is the text? Why is this moving as it pleases? Link everything to the null. Link everything to the null. What version of After Effects are you using? What version of After Effects are you using? You see this one here that is doing this. It's not moving, but it's linked. Oh yeah, it's not moving. It's obvious. It's obvious. The reason as to why it's not moving is pretty obvious. Let's just pre-comp those. 2020. 2020 is not too old. 2020 is not too old. That was like the most stable version of After Effects, to be honest. The 2021 and the 2022 one, those two are very very stable. And the After Effects CS6, that was the best. Very stable for all the plugins. You might have to I didn't that's a problem. They shouldn't have done that for CC. For plugins they can do that. For CC it was really not necessary. I don't know. Maybe around 2022 or 2024 will be suitable. 2025 is good enough. That's what I use. Let's do this. Link it to the null. Listen to. So I'm trying to figure out how to go about this. So we have like a slide and then this direction. I think I can do a bit of a zoom. I was really trying to avoid the use of the zooms and stuff like that, apart from transitions, so that I at least give room for the clips to represent themselves. It's like I'm trying to do. No, I love bounce and zooms. Most of my edits are like that. I must have as much motion as possible, so I was trying to avoid that. Anyway, Prem, there are some other CCs in this server. What's the name? Maybe you can add me on Discord. I can share it to you. I don't know if you're in that server though. Let's see. Let me check the name. Discord. They had several CCs there. I think it's CFX SYFX 96. I think it's that one. Let's see. It's either that one or I'll have to check when I'm off stream. The dark editing community. Yeah, I think it's the dark editing community. Do you know it? Dark the editing community. They have plenty of CC shakes and all that. It's the name of a Discord server that people just posted all these presets of theirs and CC and the likes. Maybe you can come across something that you like and also something that works for your version. Wow. I've been like, from where I'm sitting, I have this standing fan directed towards me directly, and it's been blowing towards like half of my side for quite a while, and my shoulder is feeling so stiff. Let me adjust it. Gosh, I can't move my arm. Need to stretch. CPU. Problem with the CPU. There is a problem with the CPU. The CPU light is on. It's just red. I don't think it usually stays red when you work. I thought it goes off, but the CPU light is on. I'll have to troubleshoot in the morning because it's quite late. It's no, it's 12:30 right now. Okay. Lonely, listen to my heart. An angel, come and hold me before I fall apart. Okay, let's sync that there. So that it moves everything. Yeah, it moves the background. It moves the pen. Only thing that I haven't synced it yet is the text. Let's also sync that so that it also moves the text. Yeah. Listen to my heart. An angel. In the end, I never used this. This clip was also one of the ones I wanted to use. We didn't end up using it anymore. Is it possible? Let me see. Somewhere there. Let me see if it is possible. Okay, sorry. To introduce that clip. Clip. Listen to. Okay, let's see. Here. Somewhere here. Let's see if we can introduce that one there. But now we bring it with Luma. I love Luma. Let's try that. Let's try that. Let's try that out. If you add me on Discord, I'll just send you the link to that server. It's a pretty nice server. Okay, listen to. So what I want, let me just zoom it. Zoom it so that I can drag it. Oh my god, my headphones are also out of charge. Today is like, that day where everything just gets messed. Let me switch to earphones, but I'm prepared. I am prepared to handle the world. The world will not defeat us. Switching to earphones. And of course, I'll have to also change the audio. Preference audio, where are you? Audio hardware. You're on my Discord. Okay. Okay. Oh, what's your Discord? What's your Discord? Oh, let me see. Let me just, trying to get the link. I'm trying to get the share link. Invite. Copy link. I don't know where I'm posting it, so I'm going to post it on the general then. General? No, general is not a good idea because this is presets. I'm going to post it in the presets. Some more presets from here. Yeah, I sent it on the server on the presets menu. I sent the link there. You can join that server as well. In fact, I should have just somehow, the way where you do it in a way that the servers, you can join from one server to another, like a link, like some sort of partnership. I should have done that. I think that would be better. So everybody would be able to join seamlessly. Okay, let's see how that looks like. Bam. Okay, I think that's good. I can't hear. Edit preferences, audio hardware. Oh, it was the headphone. That's the one. Yeah, that's good. Okay, that motion there was not good. Come and hold me before I fall apart. I don't know the lyrics. There. Let's try that because there's a little bit of a slow motion here. So I think that's good enough. That works. Let's see how that will be now. Still move so far. Center. Maybe here, instead of up there where it's rushing, maybe I bring it here. Okay, let's try that. Okay, I think that sort of like blends in. And they say, Nikita, run, run, please run, run. You can see such an edit to make it better is sound effects. Sound effects, bro. Sound effects, that's like a whole new thing. Not new, but it's good. I think maybe I can just finish everything and then try it out adding those sound effects that I have in mind. Like I can see the burning of the candle. That is such a nice addition to the edit. The scraping or scratching of the pen from edge to edge. That's a very interesting thing. Can see when she's screaming and then there's this panic like that one there that is not included here. That's a very nice thing. There's like they think like there's like so much that can still be done that can there's like a lot of potential in all this, which is such a good thing. Listen to my heart. Boom. So I'm trying to see how to bring in this clip because she's screaming and she's facing it down. The only other relation that we have is the eye. But I don't think, yeah, there's nothing. This doesn't work. Negative. So I'm thinking, I just control D that. One for the audio, one just as is. And I bring it at the front. So the one thing that I can actually do, let's just control shift C that one and try out. I don't know why it's been taking so long when I try to pre-comp it. Control that. Let's add some curves so that we can see well when we are trying to do that color correction. Okay, let's just remove it. Full. Put full and then we do that. And a bit of the hair. Bit of the hair. Don't want that. Okay. Bit of the clothes also. And that. I just want to do something clean here. Okay, then let's do freeze frame. And then, oh no, there's so much. Oh no. Did not do it justice. Done. Oh no. Okay, so I think we can do with that also. Maybe from here, then you freeze me. It's terrible. It's terrible. It's terrible. It is terrible. It is terrible. Control C. And we come back here. Control V. And don't forget to get rid of that rotor because we do not need it. And the thing that we want to do is, since we're bringing her in, we make sure we link with the null objects and then clearly slide her in. Can you please send me your Discord link? So, because I think I'm in your Discord with my another one that you forgot the password. Yeah, of course, of course, of course. Let me do that. I think no, I don't have the descriptions. I should have the Discords in the description. I don't know why it doesn't load with it when I stream. One moment, one moment. Mm-hmm. Da, 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 da. Na, 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 na. Oh no, I'm so tired. Is the link? I found it. I clicked it and then I clicked the wrong thing. So I said I'm so tired. I'll just give you. Let me just put this temporary one that expires in 30 days. I think. Let's try that one. Oh, what sort of link did I paste? It just says GG. Bro. Invite to server. Copy. I don't know why, because I know very well that I updated. I'm exhausted. It's almost 1. It's almost 1 a.m. How do I pin this? Oh, I have to post it first before I pin. I'm doing it with my left, so I'm a bit slow. I can't pin it. Oh, I can't. Yeah, I guess that will have to survive as is. It won't even move far away. Try that one out. I put one that lasts for 30 days, so that should be good for you now. Let me do this position and try to bring it in from here, because she's like screaming at the top of her lungs and then she's coming from that edge. That is why I want this way, go up and then go that. And I'll just do like a quick this. Okay, awesome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Amazing. Okay, let's just bring it in from this side. I tried like a corner, but it wasn't giving. It ain't giving at all. There's that, and then just to slide in. The colors are intensely different. For this one here, I won't do I just like bam, bam. Let's see. Center my I'm not a lonely broken angel. Come and hold me before I fall apart. Okay, let's remove that. I think I'll do the slide here, and then this other one I will link it. The one this one is linked to this. This one is linked to null 31. I'll try that out. I don't want it to move. I want to borrow. So that means null 31 is linked to. I want it to borrow this motion. You see this motion where I have like Zooms in, zooms out. And then I want to like do like a zoom out, zoom, 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 zoom stuff. Like when it comes here, then it zooms with it. Apart from just sliding, maybe I'll just do a scale up to where this pops in, and do very slightly. I see it's not linked up. It's not linked up. So what if instead of doing it on that, I do it on this, on the clip. I do the slide on the clip, and then I link the null to this. Position. For this one, let's just put 960. Okay. What is it even doing? Reset. Reset. Negative 1920 by 0. That's new. But what the hell is that? I'll take it. I'll take it. We won't fight. We love peace. We don't fight. Okay, take that there. And then I'm still trying to figure out how to link these. But the best way, the best thing I can think of is linking. Why didn't I think of that? Linking, instead of linking the null, because the null is linked to this text, this one layer. I link the layer, the null. This null is linked to this null is linked, like just a continuation. Sleepy glitchy, good night. Good night, Prem. Thank you so much for hanging around. I'm glad you were here, and it was good to have your company as you're also doing your own thing. I really do appreciate it. Have a good night. I'll also be ending the stream soon. Anyway, sleep well. Good night. Let's try that. See. Does it zoom? Yeah, it does. There's a slight zoom. I think either way, you should also sleep. You seem tired. Yeah, I will. I will. I just want to finish this transition because even I think that it's not working because I'm sleepy. I'm exhausted and my head hurts. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Yeah, I think we can actually just end with this because there's so much going on. I don't like it. I'll have to look at it. It's almost 1. It's 12:51. Either way, we are done. We've covered a lot. We did a bit of anime. We did a bit of gaming, and it got messed up. Have to troubleshoot the CPU tomorrow. If it works out, we do another Fortnite stream. If it doesn't, we're back to editing. I hope that is okay with you. I'm still planning on putting up stream schedules. I am yet to do that. I haven't done that yet. It's still something that needs to be done. That being said, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed day. Goodbye.